Following its initial debut of the Tab P12 Pro in 2021, Lenovo has recently introduced the all-new Lenovo Tab P12, and we have got all the juicy details for you, so without further ado, let's begin. The Lenovo Tab P12 is a decent tablet in terms of performance. It's equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core SoC. What's more, you can choose from 3 different variants: 4 128, 8 128 and a whopping 8 256 gigs configuration. This tablet is perfect for binge watching your favorite shows or stream videos on the go. With the 10,200 mAh battery, you get an impressive 10 hours of video streaming support. That's perfect for those long flights or road trips. The Lenovo Tab P12 doesn't compromise on visuals either. It flaunts a stunning 12.7-inch LTPS LCD display with a resolution of 2944 by 1840 pixels and a 60Hz refresh rate. It would have been better if the refresh rate was higher. Anyways, you won't have any problem consuming media. And guess what? The audio experience is just as immersive. Lenovo has equipped the Tab P12 with quad JBL speakers, delivering crystal clear sound for all your multimedia needs. When it comes to capturing moments, the Lenovo Tab P12 won't disappoint, but don't expect too much from a tablet camera. It boasts a 13MP front-facing ultra-wide camera and an 8MP rear camera with an LED flash. On the connectivity front, the Tab P12 is equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C 2.0 and Wi-Fi 6 support. Plus, you get a range of sensors including accelerometer, gravity sensor, RGB sensor, gyroscope, e-compass and Hall sensor, ensuring a seamless user experience. Now let's talk about the software side of things. The Tab P12 comes running on Android 13 out of the box. This means you'll have access to all the latest features and improvements from the Android ecosystem. What's disappointing is that Lenovo has pledged to provide only 2 OS upgrades. But to ensure your data stays safe, Lenovo promises 4 years of security patches. That's great news for all the security conscious users out there. But that's not all. Lenovo knows how important creativity and productivity are, which is why they have included the stylus in the retail box. Whether you are taking notes, sketching or editing documents, this stylus will enhance your overall tablet experience. So there you have it, the Tab P12. A decent performer with an impressive display, outstanding audio and camera capabilities. And pricing is quite reasonable considering the features it offers. Well, I haven't told you about the pricing, so let me tell you about that. The base Lenovo Tab P12 comes at €400 or about £350. But if you want the added functionality of a keyboard case, the price goes up slightly to €500. It's a great deal considering all the features it offers. So that's it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Peace out.